right, so here we are with my Topstep dashboard looking at my 50K Combine NQ. $50,875, so well on the way to passing. I only need to make $3,000, so once I get to $53,000, I'll be able to pass this account. It says 2 days complete. It's really 3. So far 100% winning, which doesn't really mean anything on such a small aggregate. But yeah, so that's where that account is. So the live account is the same. I'll show you. So here we are on the live account. Same, hasn't moved, didn't take any trades. I missed the only trade that set up yesterday, which would have been a really nice trade. Could have made at least $500 on it. It was one of those like perfect setups where I could risk more on that trade, and I wasn't able to get in because of Rhythmic. You know, I'm going to try that tonight and see if I can get in whether I'm going to trade it or not, just to see if there's like a ongoing problem I need to report. But anyway, that's where the live account's at. I'm going to try to take some trades tonight in the nighttime session because I probably won't be able to trade tomorrow. Maybe I will, but most likely I won't. So I hit the market tonight, make a little money, and then be back on Friday. All right, buddy. See you on the next trade. Okay, so here the evening of the 4th, I'm in the NQ long right now with one contract. I got my speed bump set up, my target set up. Pretty much set it, forget it. I'm not going to be trading probably tomorrow during the day, so I'm taking a trade tonight to put a little money in the account. And then tomorrow I got some stuff I may be able to trade, but I'm not sure. I got a lot going on early in the morning, so we'll have to see how it all works out. But yeah, so in the NQ, long, one contract. And worst case, I'll speed bump it, do a recovery, and then I'll wait for another trade. But if this trade can hit the target, then I'll be out. Looking up here, you can kind of see there's a consolidation zone here. Looking for a run back up to the bottom part of that consolidation zone. In about 4 minutes, the new 30-minute candle is going to open, and I'll show you what the last 30-minute candle looked like. So we got a red 30-minute candle right now, retracing back up. So new candle opens in about 3 minutes. Likely to see a retrace, which puts me in the target before it rolls over and goes down if it wants to keep going down. We do have a bit of a a wonky M pattern here, but you can also see this resistance area showing support as well. So could easily see it move into that target. Almost there. If we get real close, I might start trailing a stop. Just the evening doesn't move very fast. I would hate to trail a stop and miss the trade. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's trail the stop and hope we don't miss the trade. Okay, locking it in. I'll just take it.
Stop filled.
All right, so I'll take that trade. 335. That quick rejection, I didn't like that. And then when it pumped back up again, I put it in. Another quick rejection. Wow, look at that. See, 30 seconds later, and look, what would that have been? Not even 30, that was like 10 seconds later. 32, another 12. So another 100 and something dollars there, $200 I could have had. Man, just like that, I could have had another 200 bucks. So this is what happens to me all the time. I try to be patient, then I get nervous when it starts to get stuck. And then I get out, and then that happens every time. Okay, so we got a bit of a head and shoulders pattern right here with this trend line that's breaking right now. So I'm going to try to jump into this trade short once it gets through here for a little move to the downside. And then, which works out great. That'll come right back down to this support area here. Okay, here we go.
Order submitted.
So in the trade to the short side here, looking for a target right down in here. If it's a fake out breakout, then I'll take it to the upside, but things should cruise down to this zone right here. Right now we're looking at the 1 minute candles. With this kind of break, it should go pretty good in within the next couple candles. If it's not, I'm going to look to take my trade off. Yeah. It's already kind of getting stuck right here. On the 5 minute candle here, you can see where it's getting stuck. Let's look at the 30. Plenty of room to retrace that candle still, it looks like, and get into that support area. Let's go look at the 1 hour. Yeah, lots of room to come down, hit that target. Let's go back to the 1 minute. So the 5 minute is the only one showing a potential for getting stuck right here. Where is that? Must be somewhere in here. But I don't like this, so it needs to get going. Yeah, right through here. It's hit that area, and this area is providing some support for it. Could turn around from here. Come on, NQ, you're right there. You're not that far away. 52 and 44. Alright, we are in a support area, though. And it's an area, not a number. So I might have to just take this here. Alright, want to watch it drop? I'll show you how it drops. I'm going to take my trade off the table here. Next candle. Let this one do a little retrace. Alright, I'm going to lock that in. If it wants to back up and get me out, then I'll be out. Because it's starting to get stuck a lot. So close to the target. And it's in a support area already. It's in the area. I was just looking for a run towards the bottom of that area, but it may not get there. This area right through here.
Filled.
Alright, so out of that trade, so this area right through here is starting to show some nice support. So it may not, I was looking for a run towards the bottom of that area, but anywhere in that zone is a good trade. So out of that trade, I'll take it. So that's going to give me a 6 again. No, we're getting back in. P&L of 666. I can't do it. That's the second time that's happened to me. Why did I get that number again? Alright, I got to take one more trade. Can't have P&L of 666. And then if I can get my next trade green, then at least I'll be looking at halfway to finishing the combine. P&L of 666. Come on. I wanted to be done after this trade, but now I can't be. Look at this thing ripping up. See, this support area. Support's not really a number to me. It's always an area. I didn't want to get greedy. I mean, target was in the greed zone at the bottom of it, but I moved my stop to make sure I captured. All right, do I get long here to get rid of 666, or do I get short?
Order submitted.
Right, I'm gonna get long on a break of this. Right here. And I'll get short if it wants to come down here and break below here. Just looking for a scalp to change that number. I don't even care if it's a losing trade. I just don't want that number on there. Alright, we got the halfway retracement. Let's see if it wants to come back up now and start making new highs.
Order submitted.
Alright.
Order filled.
Oh, I was too slow on the close button. I was hoping to catch it up here. Alright, so 681. That could have been awesome. I could have been up like another $200 or $300. It could almost have been $1,000 night if I would have been faster on that close button. Anyway, so not 666 anymore, 681. And that's going to do it for the night. I'm halfway to finishing the combine, so that's pretty sweet. And then again, I may not be trading tomorrow morning, but I plan to trade on Friday though. All right, everybody. Hope you have an awesome day.